Hey, Team Incredibles. I wanted to show you what Jana showed me about how you can put into your parties a live playing video using your Post My Party. So we're going to screen share and we're going to go to Canva. And when you're in Canva, you're going to create a social media image. And I'm going to make a Facebook post image. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the left-hand side where it says uploads, and you're going to come and you're going to upload a video that you have already downloaded to your computer from Pampered Chef. So I'm going to come down to my videos, and you can do your own personal videos if you want, or you can do the Pampered Chef video. So I'm going to find a Pampered Chef video, and this one is fajitas. Okay, good. So we're going to upload that one. So Kitchen Essentials, it's called. So it's uploading. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to watch for what products they're going to show. Quick slice, cutting board, double burner grill pan and tongs, manual food processor, the prep bowls, the scraper, the citrus press, cutting board, small cutting board, quick stir pitcher, easy read measuring cups. So far we're up to 10 products being shown. Okay, 10 products, perfect. So now we're gonna shrink this up so that this is gonna go in the middle. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and upload those 10 products to this as well. So quick slice. Find an image of the quick slice. Now we're gonna upload manual food processor. Now we're gonna upload citrus press. Now these are all on my computer, and you'll notice, do you notice that I have them all labeled? I don't use the long crazy name numbers that Pampered Chef does. I name them how I would call an item when I am saving them to my computer so that I can use the search image up here when I'm under photos and find anything. Cutting board, I think it's called a bar board. Bar board, here we go. Double burner grill pan. Oh, there's another one. I'm not sure what that one says. So let's take a peek at that one. Says, nope, that's not the one we want. We want the other one, the one that has the burgers in it. This one might have my website on it. Nope. Okay, good. Now we're going to hit the tongs. So we want all of the tools that are in the video on our image so that we can show lots of products in one post, right? Let's see, what else do we have? We had quick stir pitcher. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we have more. We have easy read measuring cups. All right, if you do not have it, let me show you where you guys go to get it. you come here, and if you go to the Pampered Chef website and you come up here, Easy Read, and you just type in, or you could have typed in measuring cups. You want to go to the product. See how it brings you to resources first, and then there's recipes and videos. You want to go to the product tab so that you can find the image of what you're looking for. So I'm looking for the image that shows all of them. I say view, and I like it better with people in it versus these that are just kind of plain. So then you open up that image a little bit bigger, and then you right click on it and you save the image. And see how it had all those numbers on it? Easy Read measuring cups. And I'm going to save it in my photos under tools. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Canva and we're going to upload that. So that's how you find an image and you use it. Easy Read measuring cups. And right now it's looking here on locations. I want it to look under pictures, under tools. There we go. So let's start putting these in. So we just take the images and we grab, we anchor the corner and we just drag it so that it lines up. And we move it to the corner and we drag till it lines up. And now I can only fit 3 comfortably across here. I won't be able to fit a 4th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it just a tiny bit smaller so that there's a little bit of color that can go around it. And I'm going to just move it over here just a little. And I'm going to do the same thing with this. And you notice as you start going smaller, it snaps into a size like, oh, yep, that's the same size as the other one near it. And then we go like that. Yep, now they're exactly the same size. You see that like purple line. So you click here and you go until it snaps at the bottom, and you go until it snaps at the top, and then you just kind of measure it in here. So I might even make this just a little bit bigger because we want the video to kind of take highlight here. All right, so now we're going to come in, we're going to do Sue's Easy Read measuring cups on a bad hair day, clearly. Down in Florida, we have bad hair days a lot. All right. Citrus press, lots of humidity down here, although it makes my hair really curly, which isn't a bad thing. But you have to put lots of conditioner in it. Curly hair problems. Manual food processor. And then quick slice. And by the way, if you need to shrink it a little bit and you just want to bring the sides in a little, you can do that as well, or you can bring the whole thing to make it a little bit smaller. So let's watch the video one more time and see what I'm missing, because we have room for one more over here. Well, maybe the big cutting board, but summertime, I guess we could use that. There's a picture of the big cutting board as a cheese thing, the charcuterie board. So we could use the prep bowls if we need. See if there's another important tool we want to show off. Oh, the scraper set maybe. Okay. Let's do the scraper set. And go like this. Scraper. There we go. Scraper collection. Put that in, shrink it down, move it to the side, pull it in just a little. All right, now we're going to go over here on the left-hand side and it says background. So we want to fill in all of this white background with something that's going to complement our fajitas. So I'm thinking like red would probably do that. And then you'll be able to visually see what you got going if you want to make some things bigger or whatever. And then one of the things that I've been doing is I've been shrinking or making the top one a little bit smaller so that I can put a title above it. So the way you would do a title, let me just, let's just see, I can probably shrink this one a little, move it down. This one for sure we can shrink, move down. Hi, Leo. I have to shrink the whole thing because we need all that. So I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Give me a tiny bit more space here. And we're going to come over to here under text, and we're going to click text, and it's going to ask what kind of text you want. So based on the size of the text you want, I want a small piece of text, and I'm going to click off of the text box and then back on it to bring it up top here. If you click on the flat side handles and hold, you can drag and open them up. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to say kitchen essentials fajitas. And then you can change the font. Come over here and you can pick a fun font, something different than the blah that was there before. And you can change the size. You can change the color if you want that to be white or black or whatever, it doesn't matter. I think it's fine the way it is. All right, now, if we want, we can label it, you know, Team Incredibles, but I don't think anybody else is going to use me in their page. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click this down button that shows download, and it's going to download as an MP4 video. So you say, okay. And while that's downloading, we're going to jump over to Post My Party, and we are going to go into templates, and we are going to find our template for May of 2021. Let's see, I think maybe on page 4. 2021. Maybe I just, April, May. Maybe I just have it listed as May. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Here we are, May 2021. So we're going to come in here. So now we need to see where it downloaded it's still downloading. So when it's done downloading, you're going to come here and you're going to create a new post, and it's going to be called a GIF. Okay, so that will give the action of the video that will play live in your party. And they won't have to click on it. It should just play live. So it's going to say a GIF, and you're going to get to pick the GIF by clicking this button here and telling it which day you want it to be. Now, remember, any good post has a call to action. We want to talk to them about it. So I want to say something like, our professional line of cookware has a lifetime warranty and is the last line of cookware you'll ever need. It's dishwasher safe and high heat safe, as well as metal safe. My favorite, how about something like, you will find yourself cooking breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert in this pan. Okay, so see, it just downloaded right now, and it brings up add a little body of text. That was the last thing I clicked on. So we want to name this. This is called Kitchen Essentials Post My Party Video, because I've been labeling all of my Post My Party videos as specific, and I'm putting them in my 2020 shows. It's really 2021, and I'm putting it in under videos. Whoops, I thought it was there under videos. Maybe I have it on my desktop as Post My Party. Here we go, video collages right here. So I'm going to put it in there so I have it named so I can find it later. You'll find yourself cooking breakfast. I know those of you who are grammar police are saying, Sue, put your commas in. I know I'm terrible at that. I'm sorry. Feel free if you see typos or grammatical errors to correct me. And desserts in this pan. Everything from bacon, French toast to burgers and pork chops and even pizza maybe Nutella with strawberries, or grilled pineapple and pound cake. Now here's where the call to action comes in. We're going to say, for a point into our raffle, name something you would cook on the double burner grill pan. So call to action so that we are asking them to comment so that we open up the Facebook filters. And you're just going to come down, you're going to click here. You're going to find the folder that you saved it in. So mine was on my desktop under Post My Party collages that I just started. And this is the kitchen essential one. And we upload that. Why isn't it uploading it? There we go. Click it. You have to click the video. That's why. You have to click the video in the center of the image. If it thinks it's an image, it won't upload it. But if you click the video, it will upload it. So then we tell it which day we want this to go on. We're going to do this at day 1. We're going to do this at like 8 at night. And I never have it at the exact same time. So we always make it something new. And then we say save. And then if you actually go down, you can see the video did upload. So that is how you do a video collage. And I think this is going to be great because then we can make our own little short videos and use our own photos of ourselves with our own voice in there. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know when you give it a try.